VW Smart Repairs and Black Stag Styling. Thank you for checking out our next video. As you can see, in today with us, and in for probably about a week or so once we do the work, is a fantastic, awesome Ferrari 599. So this is in to basically just minor stone chips really that most of the supercars suffer with across the front. So it will be front bumper off, headlights out, badges all stripped, everything removed from the car and the wings. And then we've got repair and paint the front bumper, the bonnet, the tops of the wings, blend the colour across the wings and everything lacquered. Then once we've finished all the work, everything will be, the car will be put back together, fully cleaned and polished, ready for the customer. So stay tuned for more on that. Also please like and subscribe to our channel, turn on your notifications, and we'll speak to you soon. We're now stripping all the bits off the front end of the Ferrari 599. So Mark's now trying to remove all the relevant fixings and clips so we can get the front bumper off. And how are you doing with that, Mark?
We're getting there. Getting there slowly.
But loads of bits to take off, and there loads of clips and fixings and...
This is the tub so far. I think I've got another couple of bolts and then that should be off.
Yeah, and we should be there.
Yeah.
Okay, mate, lovely. Back over with the lovely Ferrari 599 in for the front end to be repaired and painted, plus the side skirts. Where are we at now with it then, Gaff?
Well, we've stripped all the parts from it.
Okay.
Now we've flattened down the front end here for to sand back the stone chips.
Okay.
So we can high build prime the front end of the car. And then we've flattened that back. We've thousand disc on the top bit so we can try to keep the colour away from going towards the doors.
Okay.
But yeah, so we're going to be high build priming, flatten that back, and then mask up and ready to be painted.
Lovely.
We've got the bumper being repaired over here. That's had a crack through here, so we've repaired the underneath first. And then we've got V8 the front of the bumper, and then we put some fiberglass to give it the strength.
Right. Okay.
And then a high build primer on the bumper as well.
Lovely. And then that'll be ready for paint as well.
That'll be ready for paint. Yeah.
Superb. Thank you, pal. They're lovely. Good. Oh no, I also spot you're sporting the Black Stag hoodie as well.
Yes, I'm very proud of wearing this.
That's lovely. Apparently these are available for sale as well and purchase, along with some t-shirts.
This is size large, but you know, I could have gone with a size small, you know, being my sort of size.
We don't want to show off that muscly six-pack,
we don't want to be showing it off.
Thank you, pal. Looking good, lovely. And the car. Right, we're now into the spray booth with the Ferrari 599 and yeah, just about to do the paint. What do you want to tell us, James, about this one?
Quite a big one to mask up. Me and Mark have both been on it for a little while this morning. All blown down, degreased, final tacked. So yeah, we're all ready to rock and start getting the base coat on.
Lovely, superb. Woohoo! She's a bit of a beauty. Right, we're back in with the Ferrari. It's now had all its base colour put on, and then I think James is now about to lacquer.
Now about to lay down the clear. So
superb.
back in the booth with the 599 and we're all done. All clear coated, all looks good. Couple of small imperfections to nib out and polish back up, but yeah, it's looking good.
Lovely. So we're now going to demask it all?
It's not quite dry yet, so we're going to leave it over the weekend because it's now Friday afternoon.
Oh, Friday!
And then Monday morning, ready to go.
Brilliant. Superb. It's looking good, mate.
Lovely.
Looking lovely jubbly.
Lovely times!
Right, we're now, or Mark and James are now fitting up the Ferrari 599. I think Mark has just put the bumper back onto the vehicle.
Yes,
have you, Mark? Yes,
I've just put it back onto the vehicle.
Excellent. And now you're fitting the grille in.
Yeah, just putting the grille in. Then we've got to put the undershield on and all
Lovely.
the other fixings.
And then
Fixings and fittings.
there's
No, what is it?
quite a number of bolts, I gather, isn't
Fixings and
there?
fittings.
Okay, yeah. Quite a number of bolts down there. Lovely. Headlights are all back in. Grille now going in. And we've got this lovely big under tray to go back on. What a beauty.
James is messing around.
And here we are with Mr. Gaffer, who unfortunately at the moment is suffering with a little bit of a cold.
Ah, I'm glad
Aren't
you
you?
mentioned this. Yes.
I thought I'd bring it up
Really
for a little...
nasty cold, you know. Oi.
He's got a cold, don't you know?
You got a cold, mate?
Anyway,
Never mentioned it.
what's happening here? We're polishing it up.
We're
Lovely old job.
Giving it a lovely little polish.
Lovely little polish. We've just nibbed little areas and then we polish it all up and that should shine like a good one.
Fantastic. Oh, it's looking good, mate. Carry on, pal.
Yeah, thank you very much. All the best to you. Have a happy Easter.
Right, and welcome back to AW Smart Repairs Black Stag Styling. We're now with the finished Ferrari 599 after having the complete front end repaired and painted. That's purely through stone chip damage, so nothing too severe. Front bumper's been off, repaired and painted, bonnet all repaired and painted, wings repaired, blended, and also the side sill panels as well. We've then we've then fitted new stone chip decals to the sides and the sills as well. So thank you for watching, hope you've enjoyed it. Stay tuned for plenty more supercars, car repairs, hydro dip and all sorts of stuff. Like and subscribe to our channel. And also I've got to give a shout out to Jasmine and Lucy for subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon.